In today's video, we're diving into what you actually get with Storebuild.ai and whether it's worth using to launch your Shopify store. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever tried to build a store and ended up feeling so overwhelmed by the themes and apps and all the tiny design decisions, this is for you. So today, we're going to dive into what Storebuild.ai actually does, how it works, and whether it's too good to be true. Let's get into it. So what is Storebuild.ai? Storebuild.ai is a free AI-powered tool that builds a fully designed Shopify store for you. The homepage, product pages, layout, and descriptions, and even your overall store structure. You just answer a few quick questions about your product, your niche, and your vibe, and it does the rest. But here's the thing. Storebuild doesn't replace Shopify. It actually works with it. So think of Storebuild as your creative setup tool and Shopify as the engine that runs your entire business. So once your store is generated with Storebuild, you'll connect it directly to Shopify to actually go live. Start taking orders and manage customers. It's like having a designer, developer, and copywriter all in one, but without having to pay or wait weeks to get started. And yes, like I mentioned, Storebuild is actually completely free. You don't need a subscription, there's no upsell wall, and you can build your entire store before spending a single dollar. The only thing that you do pay for is your Shopify plan, because that's where your store will actually live. Once connected, everything from Storebuild is pushed into Shopify, so you can edit, grow, and run your store from one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. If you've ever felt stuck staring at a blank theme in Shopify or had no idea where to begin with product pages or design, Storebuild basically skips the entire stuck phase and hands you a working storefront that's ready to go. So let's walk through what you actually get when you use Storebuild and how each feature helps you get up and running faster without sacrificing quality. Number one is quick setup, zero overthinking. The first thing you'll notice is how fast it is. You answer a few basic questions like what your store is about, who it's for, and Storebuild generates an entire store layout in minutes. There's no choosing from 50 themes or messing with endless settings. You just answer, click, and your store is built. It takes all of the guesswork out of the setup, especially if it's your first time using Shopify. Number two is done for you product descriptions. This one saves hours. Storebuild writes your product descriptions for you based on your niche and product type. You don't have to sit there figuring out what to say or how to sound professional. The copy comes out clean, simple, and surprisingly human. It highlights benefits, key details, and includes formatting that makes it easy to scan, like subheadings or bullet sections you can tweak. And if you want to edit the tone or add your personality later, you totally can. Based on your niche, Storebuild doesn't just throw together a random design, it actually builds your store with your niche in mind. For example, if you're selling beauty products, your layout will look soft and clean. If you're selling gadgets, the layout shifts to a more bold and modern feel. You don't have to know anything about design, it just makes your store look how it should based on what you sell. It's subtle, but it makes a huge difference in first impressions. Number four is conversion-focused layout blocks. Every section of the site, from your homepage hero image to your product page, is designed to lead people toward a purchase. Storebuild includes conversion-boosting elements like trust badges, call to action buttons, and social proof layouts, and even urgency sections like countdown timers. These are the things people usually add later through apps, but they're built in from the beginning here. So you're not just launching a pretty store, you're launching a store that's built to convert from day one. Number five is mobile optimized without you touching a thing. So Storebuild automatically formats everything for mobile, and let's be honest, most people shop on their phones now. So having a store that looks clean and easy to use on mobile is non-negotiable. You don't have to resize images or adjust columns, it just works. Number six is export ready for Shopify. So once your store is built, Storebuild gives you everything you need to launch. You just export your files and connect them to your Shopify account. From there, you can tweak or customize as much as you want, but the base is already done. Your homepage is structured, the product descriptions are written, and the design is ready to go live. If you've ever felt paralyzed by the Shopify setup process, this feels like someone handing you the answers to the test. Okay, so now let's talk about the pricing. Here's what's actually wild. So Storebuild.ai is free, completely free. You can use the tool, generate your full store, and preview everything. No credit card, no subscription, no limits. The only thing you need to pay for is Shopify. Storebuild works with Shopify. So once your store is generated, you'll need a Shopify plan to publish it, connect a domain, and take orders. If you want to get started with Storebuild.ai, I'm going to walk you through how quickly it really is to build your store completely free. So once you click that link, you'll see this page right here. So you can start picking your niche. Maybe we go with clothing. You'll have to enter in your email address. We'll go ahead and go with pets, and then we'll pick a color. We'll go with green, and then we'll pick a banner. I like that one, is cute. Then it's going to begin building our store. Claim my store. Okay, now we need to create our Shopify account. So you you can click this link and enter in your name, and then we can click next. Then what you're going to do is come into your Shopify store. So you'll just be right here. You'll go ahead and copy that URL right here, and you'll paste it right here. Click save, and then go ahead and click next. Then you will also have to install Zendrop. So you'll click this button right here, and you will get prompted to the App Store, and you'll just click install. Then you'll click receive store, and then we'll go ahead and go to the Shopify plan so you can pick one. So again, like I said, you do not have to pay for StoreBuild at all. It's completely free, but you do have to pay for your Shopify store. But if you use our link, you actually can get an insane deal. So it's usually for the basic $39 a month, but you can get your first 3 months for just $1. So all of these plans, as you can see, are a normal price, but you can get any of these other than the Plus for just $1 for the first 3 months. You can really try it out, play around, see if it works for you. With the basic plan, it starts off at that $1, but then goes to $39. You get the full online store. You can sell in person with a phone or card reader. The card rates are 2.6% plus 10 cents USD. You get 10 inventory locations and easy shipping labels. Then with the Grow plan, again, it's the $1 for the first 3 months, and then it's $105 per month after that. You get everything in the basic plan, but the card rates do decrease a little bit, and you also get shipping discounts and insurance and 5 staff accounts. Then with the advanced plan, this is, again, you get that $1 for the first 3 months, and then it goes to $399 per month. You get everything in the Grow plan, but the card rates decrease. You get fully integrated shipping. You get 15 staff accounts and theme customization per market and enhanced 24/7 chat support. And then lastly is the Plus, and this is for more complex businesses. You can get started for $399 for the first month, and then it goes to $2,300 after that. With this, you get everything in the advanced, but you get sell in person with POS Pro for up to 200 locations. The card rates do decrease. You get 200 inventory locations, local storefronts by market, fully integrated shipping, unlimited staff accounts, sell wholesale B2B, and so much more. You can always get started with the basic plan and then go up from there. Once you select your plan, your store will automatically be imported. So it's so quick and so easy to use. Now, let's break down the pros and cons because no tool is perfect. So starting off with the pros, StoreBuild makes launching a Shopify store simple and fast. The AI setup, design, and copywriting tools remove the biggest roadblocks most beginners face. It's completely free, and the stores it builds actually look professional, not cookie cutter. You also keep full control. You're not locked in. You can edit everything later in Shopify however you want. But it's not a magic bullet. If you want custom code, advanced animations, or something super branded, you'll still need a developer down the line. And while StoreBuild gets your store 90% of the way, you'll probably want to tweak the language or visuals slightly just to make it fully feel like you. But for a free tool that gets you live and selling quickly, the trade-off is more than fair. So should you use it? If you're launching your first product, testing a store idea, or just tired of overthinking the setup phase, absolutely. You can try it today for free and have a working store to show off by tonight. Even if you plan to customize more later, this gives you a clean working foundation to build on. And if you're someone who tends to stall during the I'll just make one more tweak phase, this is going to save you. The fact that StoreBuild is free means there's no risk and a lot of reward if it gets you moving. StoreBuild only works with Shopify, but that's actually a good thing. Shopify is the most trusted e-commerce platform out there. It handles everything, like I said, from secure checkout to app integrations and so much more. So StoreBuild doesn't replace it. It just helps you build your beautiful high converting storefront. So if you're serious about getting your store up and running, I highly recommend using Storebuild.ai and then choosing a Shopify plan that fits your needs. I know how easy it can be to get stuck in the setup stage, picking a theme, choosing the right words, resizing images. It can be exhausting. And that's why StoreBuild is so helpful, because it just takes all of that off your plate so you can focus on launching, not planning, not perfecting, launching. If you want to check out Storebuild.ai, go ahead and use our link in the description below. And I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best tools, templates, and strategies to build an e-commerce business smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.